Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect laptop to TV with HDMI. Quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary equipment. You will need a laptop and an HDMI cable. Ensure that your TV is turned on. Locate the HDMI port on your laptop. It is usually found on the side. Next, find the HDMI port on your TV. This port is typically located on the back or side of the TV. Take your HDMI cable and connect one end to the laptop's HDMI port. Now connect the other end of the cable to the TV's HDMI port. Once connected, navigate to your TV's input settings. Use your remote to select the HDMI input you just connected to. The display should switch to show your laptop screen. If nothing appears, right-click on your laptop's desktop. Select Display Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Multiple Displays section. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Duplicate or Extend. Once selected, click Apply to confirm the changes. Your laptop should now be mirrored or extended to your TV. Adjust resolution settings if necessary for optimal display. If you encounter any audio issues, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar. Select Playback Devices and choose your TV as the audio output. Click Set Default and then OK. You should now have both video and audio streaming from your laptop to your TV. Enjoy your content on the big screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.